Need a text from a video? Look no further, here it is. So many use cases for this. You can use it because you want to know more about the topic, you can underline, you can read it. You're learning a language and you want to have the transcript and study the text. So many others. This is the tutorial. This is quick, easy and free. Don't miss it. Link will be in the description. As always, no worries. Sign up, my case, sign in. Copy the URL link from the video on YouTube. Paste the link here. This is so quick. It identifies the video and that's it, you have the transcript. Another option is time-coded. What's paid? Chapter stamps, summary and quiz, which is a pity by the way. If you want, I have another video on quizzes and this is amazing and free. Hey, don't tell anyone. Two options, download it or copy the text. How brilliant is this? So quick, so easy and so useful. So if you like amazing free AI tools like me, go and check out my channel because I have so many free AI tools for you. They're brilliant. They help you create amazing projects and you'll love them, I'm sure. I do. So if you like the video, do like, subscribe and hit that notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best free AI tools for you and your project. Thanks so much for supporting my work, for watching this video. Bye bye for now.